Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. My name is Lucas. I am very happy to see you again. Today, we have a new story for you. The topic is After Work, Hobbies and Fun. We will see our friends Lily and Jake. The workday is over. Now they want to relax and have fun. In this video, the English is very slow and very clear. But we have our game, the Red Error Challenge. I made 3 mistakes in this video. When you see a word in red, it is a mistake. Stop the video and find the correct word. Write the time and the correct word in the comments. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Finally, I thought this day would never end. It feels amazing to leave the office behind.
I agree with you, Jake. Just look at the sky. The sunset is absolutely stunning tonight. It is a perfect evening for a long walk.
You are right. The weather is quite warm. I feel exhausted after those endless meetings. But the fresh air is exactly what I need.
I know what you mean. It really helps to clear your head. Do you have any interesting plans for tonight? No more work emails, I hope?
Definitely no more emails. I want to stay active and forget about the computer screen.
That sounds like a brilliant plan. Let's head to the bus stop together.
My bus is arriving in 5 minutes.
That was quick. Where are you heading now, Jake? Are you going straight home?
Not yet. I am actually going to the gym. I need to find some energy before the day ends.
To the gym at this hour? You are incredibly active.
Well, I love staying fit. It is my favorite way to spend my free time.
Good luck with your workout. As for me, I am going to a local cafe. I am meeting my friend Sarah there.
That sounds lovely. Enjoy your evening with Sarah.
Thanks, Jake. See you at the office tomorrow morning.
See you then. Here I am at the fitness center. I really enjoy the atmosphere in this place. Staying active is my absolute favorite hobby. At the moment, I am warming up on the treadmill. I want to run as fast as possible today. Moving my body always makes me feel amazing. Look at my speed. I am sleeping very fast right now. This workout gives me so much positive energy. I feel much stronger than I did this morning. All my stress from work is completely gone. There's nothing better than a good training session.
Hi, Lily. Over here. I am so happy to see you.
Hi, Sarah. It is so good to be here. This cafe is very cozy.
Yes, I love the atmosphere here. Sit down and relax. How was your day at the office?
It was a very busy day. I had many meetings and emails. I am a bit tired now.
I understand. But now you are here. We can talk and have a nice time.
You are right. I am ready for a break. Let's look at the menu.
I am absolutely starving. Let's take a look at this big menu. Everything looks so delicious here.
I agree, it is hard to choose. I definitely want something sweet today.
Well, I prefer something light and healthy. I think I will order a fresh fruit salad. It has many vitamins and tastes great.
That sounds like a healthy choice. As for me, I am going to have a large chocolate cake. And I would like a cup of hot green tea, please.
That sounds like a perfect treat for a busy day. I cannot wait to try it.
Do you have any special plans for the upcoming weekend, Sarah?
Actually, I want to go to the Central Park. I am planning to paint a beautiful landscape there. Painting is my favorite creative hobby. It helps me to express my feelings. Oh, be careful with your drink. This computer is very hot and tasty.
That sounds like a wonderful way to relax. My hobby is slightly different. I am really into photography lately. I love my new digital camera. I take it everywhere with me.
We should go to the park together then.
That is a brilliant idea, Sarah.
Here I am at the local grocery store. I need to find a few things for my dinner tonight. Let me check my shopping list on my phone. I already have some fresh apples and organic milk in my cart. I should probably buy some healthy snacks instead of chocolate. Oh, I almost forgot about my dog, Rex. He is always waiting for a special treat when I get home. I want to buy him something really delicious today. Look at this huge bone for Rex. I am sure he will be very excited to see it. Rex is such a friendly and energetic dog. He loves playing in the garden after my work. Now I'm about to pay for all these groceries. I am quite hungry after my long training session.
It is so peaceful here, Lily. I really enjoy being close to nature after a long day. The fresh air makes me feel completely relaxed.
I agree, it is much better than staying in the office all the time. Look at the green grass and these ancient trees.
Yes, and look at the ground over there. I see many beautiful flowers in the garden.
They look very colorful and bright tonight.
They are definitely my favorite part of this park.
I love taking photos of things exactly like this. It is a perfect evening for a long, quiet walk.
I feel much happier and more energetic now. I think we should come here together more often.
That is a wonderful idea, Sarah. Finally, I am back in my cozy apartment. It was such a long and active day with my friends. I feel quite exhausted now, but I am very happy. I need to prepare everything for tomorrow morning. Oh, I should check my hair before I go to sleep. Look at this expensive window in my hallway. What big wheels. I look a bit tired, but I feel really great. It is already 10 o'clock at night. I should probably go to bed very soon. But first, I want to take a warm, relaxing shower. Relaxation is extremely important after such a busy day. I am so glad I had a chance to meet Sarah tonight. Good night to my lovely home.
Are you home already, Lily?
Yes, I just walked through the door. I am feeling very exhausted now.
I understand. It was a long day. My workout at the gym was great. I feel much better and more energetic.
That is wonderful to hear, Jake. My meeting with Sarah was also lovely. We had a very relaxing time at the cafe.
I am glad you enjoyed your evening. Now it is time to get some rest.
You are right, I am going to sleep. See you at the office tomorrow morning.
Sleep well and see you then.
Good night, Jake.
Welcome back. Did you like the story? Now it is time for a small test. I have 3 questions for you. The rules are simple. Answer yes or no. You have 3 seconds to think. Question number 1. Is Jake going home directly after work? The answer is no. He is going to the gym first. Question number 2. Does Sarah want to eat a large chocolate cake? The answer is no. She wants a healthy fruit salad. Lily wants the cake. Question number 3. Does Jake buy a new toy for his dog Rex? The answer is no. He buys a big, delicious bone for Rex. How many correct answers do you have? If you have 3, you are an English superstar. You did a great job today. Following Lily and Jake was very interesting. We learned many new words about the gym, the cafe, and even the supermarket. Now, let's talk about the red error challenge. Did you find all 3 mistakes? Remember, the mistakes were sleeping, computer, and window. Write the correct words in the comments. I will check every answer. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot to make more stories for you. Thank you for watching Slow English Listening. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.